Ratings, labels, and flags are a great way to mark some of your best images and help you separate them out from everything else. Once you've gone through your library and marked some with star ratings or maybe a color label or even a pick flag, you can easily use the quick filters in Mylio Photos to find those images so you always have your best and your favorite at your fingertips. Let me show you how. I'm going to open up the left panel, and this is going to give us access to our quick filters. At the top, we have a quick filter for by rating, label, and flag. Let's go ahead and twirl that down and take a look at our options. We can filter our library by our stars, by color labels, or our flag status. Let's take a look at stars first. I want to see all of my 4-star and 5-star images. I'm going to go ahead and click on those stars, and that brings me all of my top-rated images in my library. Let's take a look at a few of these other options. I'm going to go ahead and clear those filters, and let's take a look at color labels. Now, color labels are a good way to mark images that are for a specific purpose. Maybe these are ones that you want to share or you have yet to edit. You can use color labels in a variety of ways. And this lets you find all of the ones that have specific labels. So there we go. Finally, we have our flags, and we have 3 different flag statuses. We have unflagged, reject flags, and pick flags. Typically, reject flags are things that you flagged, perhaps that you want to delete. And for me, my favorites, as I'm going through and giving my first look at a batch of images, I use pick flags heavily. If I want to see all of my picks, I can simply click on that pick flag and show all of my images that I've picked. Using ratings, labels, and flags is a great way to help you find those best images.